Hi friends, I'm Dr. Saliha from Odonto Dental Clinic. There are different types of toothpaste available in the market, and hence it can be confusing to choose the right one. Yes, friends, today's topic is how to choose the best toothpaste. First of all, let's see what are the basic ingredients of toothpaste. First ingredient is the abrasives. Starchy components such as calcium carbonates and silicates are used to remove debris, plaque, biofilms, and stains from the teeth surfaces. The proportion of abrasives are more in powder and in some whitening toothpaste. Regular use of these products can even lead to erosion of enamel. Another basic ingredient is the humectants. They are present in paste and gels. Humectants such as glycerol are used to prevent toothpaste from drying. Another ingredient is thickeners. Gums in some seaweeds is added as thickening agents used in toothpaste and gels to maintain its texture. Another ingredient is detergent. Sodium lauryl sulfate is added as a detergent to form suds while brushing. Final one is the flavoring agents. Flavoring agents such as artificial sweeteners, mint, lemon, or even bubble gum for kids are added to make their taste better. And now let's see how to choose the right toothpaste. Anti-plaque toothpaste. These kinds of toothpaste can control the accumulation of plaque on the teeth surface, helping reduce the effect of bacteria on teeth and their surrounding tissues. These toothpaste reduce the chance of developing gum disease. If plaque is allowed to stay on teeth surface, it hardens over a period of time and converted into tartar. Anti-plaque toothpaste contains ingredients such as pyrophosphates, zinc citrate and triclosan, an antibiotic and antifungal agent that assists to kill the bacteria. Toothpaste with fluoride. Fluoride is the most important ingredient to look for when selecting a toothpaste. It helps to strengthen the weak areas of the tooth and exposed roots. It is a natural mineral that assists to prevent tooth decay. Therefore, using the fluoride toothpaste can reduce the risk of tooth decay and enhance the strength of the teeth. Desensitizing toothpaste. If your teeth are sensitive to hot or cold, regular use of desensitizing toothpaste will reduce the sensitivity of your teeth as it contains compounds such as potassium nitrate or strontium chloride that helps to block the dentinal tubule, thus blocks the transmission of sensation from the surface of the teeth to their nerves. Whitening toothpaste. Whitening toothpaste can improve the whiteness of teeth. It contains increased amount of abrasives and detergents. In addition to the bleaching agents such as carbamide peroxides that can remove stains and improve the color of the teeth. But it cannot change the color of underlying dentin. Teeth whitening toothpaste should be used cautiously under the professional advice of dentist only. Natural toothpaste. For those who are not comfortable with using the toothpaste containing chemicals, natural toothpaste can be a better option. This type of toothpaste is made from herbal extracts and other natural ingredients. The health claims of this type of toothpaste have not been clinically proven. However, people who are allergic to chemicals containing toothpaste are increasingly using natural toothpaste. Toothpaste for kids. This type of toothpaste typically contains less amount of fluoride or no fluoride at all. Toothpaste for kids also contains fewer abrasives as their teeth contain much less mineral content than those of adults. Additionally, children's toothpaste contains flavors to make them love toothbrushing. Smoker's toothpaste. This type of toothpaste is specifically formulated for those who use tobacco. The teeth of smokers may become easily stained as a result of repeated drawing of tobacco smoke into their mouth. Gradually, their teeth may become stained with yellowish brown patches. Toothpaste for smokers contains strong abrasives that assist to remove stains from teeth and refreshes the breath. Finally, fluoride is the most important ingredient to look for when choosing toothpaste for adults. If you have sensitive teeth, avoid whitening toothpaste. Make sure that toothpaste you buy caters to your specific needs. Consult your dentist for advice for choosing the best toothpaste for you. I hope this video is useful. Please subscribe and share Dr. Odondo Care for more interesting videos. Thank you.